Okay, this is a tutorial on how to use Sweet Home 3D for creating plans for your pre-instant fire plans. Sweet Home 3D is a free and open source and cross-platform program, meaning it will run on pretty much any operating system, whether you're running a Mac, computer, Windows, or Linux. It creates 2D and 3D models of a home, and it has plenty of models to import. The first thing you need to do is go to Google and Google Sweet Home 3D. Go to the first page that comes up labeled Sweet Home 3D. Here's the home page. You can click on downloads to download it, or after you have downloaded it, you can go to 3D models here to download extra models for the program. The model comes with a bunch of, or the program comes with a bunch of models, but this is one place where you can get more. It doesn't have too many firefighting models, but if you go to 3D Cafe or just search the web, you can find free models. Just click on free stuff here at 3D Cafe, and I'm sure you can find things like hydrants and fire trucks. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the models that I have made using another program called Blender, which if you feel comfortable, you can create your own models using a program such as that. But let's jump right in. Once you've downloaded and installed the program, this is what you see when you start it up. I'm going to click on the walls button here and start drawing walls for the building. Right away it shows you the length of the wall that you're making, and down at the bottom it gives you an instant 3D preview, although my screen recorder here may not show you it right away until I'm done building the wall, but when you're actually using the program you see that instantly. So here I created a room with a little entranceway over here. Now that I've created it, I can go back to my little cursor here and select a wall, and then I'm going to right click on that wall. I'm going to go to modify walls, and you can change the color of the wall, height of the wall, a whole bunch of aspects of the wall here. What I'm going to choose is the right side of the wall and give it a texture. You can give each side of the wall a different texture, and there's plenty of textures already installed with the program. I'm going to make that a brick wall. So I'm going to click OK, and down here in the 3D view you'll see that that is a brick wall now. Now let's say I wanted to put a staircase into that room. I'll go over here to miscellaneous and I'm going to choose stairs. I'm going to drag it over here, and I'm going to drag it right up to that wall. Each corner of the model does something different. This corner I chose right now rotates it. I'm going to put it right there. If I wanted to change the width or length, I can use this corner here, and I'm going to use this corner here to adjust the height and lower it down. There's plenty of models here: railing, staircases, and there's things as appliances such as baths and showers. What I'm going to do now though is I'm going to use a hydrant, which I created in another program. I'm going to import it here. I'm going to drag it to, let's say here, that's where the hydrant is. I can also rotate it and resize it if I need to. I'm also going to drag over a ladder truck in case you wanted to go over scenarios for the building. And as you can see, I can place that ladder truck that I've created anywhere outside the building. I can also adjust the size, height, width of that truck. Also, if you go down to the 3D view and you right click, you'll have an option to virtually walk through, which will allow you to see the home as if you're in it. Now that we've created our plans, I'm going to actually add another room over here just to show you how you can add more rooms. And just like the other walls, I can customize the material, the textures of the wall. If I want to make a doorway or a walkway to that, I can choose door frame and drag it over here, put it right over the wall there, and I can stretch it out, change the size of it, but it creates a doorway, a walkway right there for you. You can also switch to this tool right here to draw dimensions. So we can click here and click there and drag it out so you can see the dimensions of a wall. It automatically does all the math for you. So you have your 2D and your 3D model views here. You can save it as a Sweet Home 3D file or export it as a PDF file. You'll want to save it as a Sweet Home 3D file in case you want to edit it again later, but for quick views, you can create a PDF file by clicking Print to PDF File. It will create a PDF file that you can put with your pre-instant fire plans, and will run on every computer, whether they have Sweet Home 3D installed or not, because pretty much every computer nowadays has Adobe or some sort of PDF viewer on it already. So that's just a very quick overview of Sweet Home 3D. You can do a lot more with it, but that's the basics right there. And I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial, and I hope you give the program a try before spending hundreds, if not thousands of dollars on other programs that do basically the same thing and aren't free and open source.